Hi guys, today we're going to do a shared reading activity with the text Animal Dentist. You can find this text on page 6 in your purple shared reading booklet or online in Benchmark Advance. I will read it to you, then we will echo read. Animal Dentist. It's important for people to get their teeth checked. People aren't the only ones who need dentists. Animals do too. However, animal dentists can't tell their patients open wide. Many animals dislike having their teeth cleaned or fixed. An animal can be dangerous too. The dentist uses medicine to make the animal sleep until the job is done. Now let's echo read. I will read and I want you to repeat out loud at home. Animal dentist. It's important for people to get their teeth checked. People aren't the only ones who need dentists. Animals do too. However, animal dentists can't tell their patients open wide. Many animals dislike having their teeth cleaned or fixed. An animal can be dangerous too. The dentist uses medicine to make the animal sleep until the job is done. And I would like you to read it one more time by yourself, so go ahead and pause the video while you read. Welcome back. Next, we're going to annotate the text. Your directions are at the bottom of page 6. Our first annotation says circle a word that has the same E sound as seen. So we're looking for a long E made with the vowel team, E. Let's see, can you find it? Oh, I see one. If you found it, go ahead and circle it. I'm going to grab my circle tool over here. And here is the word need on page 6, which has the double E vowel team. Oh, did you find the second one? It's on page 7. See if you can find it. That's right. Teeth also has the double E vowel team that makes a long E sound. Can you think of another word that has double E's? Our next annotation is to underline a word that means finished. Go ahead and look for it while I grab my underlining tool. And here is the word done. Done means the same as finished. It's a synonym. Our next annotation is to put a star next to an important detail from the text. Go ahead and reread and star what you think a key detail about animal dentists is. I'm going to start. The dentist uses medicine to make the animal sleep until the job is done. I think that's important because I was wondering how they would treat animal teeth without getting bitten. The last thing we're going to do is respond to the text. So I am going to make a text box here so I can type your writing prompt. Today, I would like you to write about what type of genre this text is and the evidence that tells you. So you're going to write, I think this text is. Do you think it's information, or do you think it's a story? And then you're going to write that your evidence, I think this because. And if you want a challenge, write another reason is. And then don't forget to draw a picture. See you next time.